Hey guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here, and on this episode of What's in the Box, we've got the brand new Brembo calipers. This is Brembo's B-M4 caliper. Now this is a significant upgrade over their standard 4-piston big brake kit. To start, 100% monoblock design. Normally there'd be a 2-piece, you'd have external fluid channels running over the top. So they use a process called 4D casting or 4D technology. What that does is it reduces weight, increases strength, increases rigidity. They've actually been able to create this caliper without having to drill holes for the fluid channels. And so you only have one inlet, one outlet. They've also taken a step to reduce uneven pad wear by offsetting the pistons in the caliper itself. There's also obviously a brand new design on these calipers. Love it or hate it, it is pretty wild. And of course it comes in all of these different colors, and this is going to be available as a standard big brake kit, which is still pretty budget oriented, which is unique because of all of the added features they've put into this caliper. To see a complete list of vehicles these big brakes will fit, I'll throw a link in the description below. Let me know if you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.